Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use your home router to access your files from your hard drive or your pen drive over an FTP server. For this, you will need a router that supports the FTP function. Check the router if it has a USB port. If your router has a USB port, chances are it supports this function. For more information, check your user manual. Today I'm using my TLMR3420 router from TP-Link, which has a USB port. This router is generally used for modem sharing, but it can also be used for an FTP server. Check the link in the description for more information and if you want to buy this exact product. So as my router supports the USB port, I'm using my 1 terabyte hard drive to connect it via the USB port to the router. Once it is connected, you should see a light blinking on the router that signifies the USB function is on. Now head on over to the computer for next steps. Now on the computer, you need to connect your router with your computer via Wi-Fi. For this, go into your internet connection settings on the laptop or computer and find the router's ID in your list. The router's SSID and password will be given on the back of the router. Now connect with the router with your given password. Once you have connected, you need to go into this address on your browser, tplinkwifi.net. Here you will need to log in into your dashboard with default password admin. Once you have logged in into your router, go into the advanced settings and USB sharing function and USB storage device option. Here I have connected my 1 terabyte hard drive, so it is showing the same. Here you can enable the FTP function by checking this box. After you have checked this box, click on save. The router will take a few seconds to save the data and then your FTP function is switched on. Now you can go into a new tab on your computer and enter this address on the address bar and click enter. The computer will now prompt to enter your sign-in data. Here the default will be admin as the username and admin as the password. That's it for today guys. Subscribe to see more of such videos. Like and share with someone that will find this useful. Thank you.